You could be eating healthy, taking your daily vitamins, even walking every morning. And your arteries might still be slowly clogging right now. Yes, right now. Because the truth is, plaque buildup inside your arteries doesn't just happen from fast food or sugar. It happens silently over decades. Tiny layers of cholesterol, inflammation, and calcium slowly stick to the walls of your blood vessels. Until one day, blood flow becomes restricted. And when that happens, the consequences can be devastating. Heart attacks, strokes, chronic fatigue, high blood pressure. But here's the part most people don't realize. Your body actually has a natural repair window every single night. While you sleep, your cells go into restoration mode. Hormones rebalance. Inflammation decreases. Blood vessels relax and repair themselves. And if your body has the right nutrients during this nighttime repair cycle, something remarkable can happen. Your arteries can begin to clean themselves. In today's video, I'm going to reveal 2 powerful nighttime nutrients that support your body's natural ability to clear plaque, reduce inflammation, and protect your heart while you sleep. And the second one might surprise you, because millions of people take it at the wrong time of day, which dramatically reduces its benefits. Let's begin. As we get older, especially after the age of 45, our cardiovascular system changes. Arteries that were once flexible and smooth begin to stiffen. Blood pressure gradually rises. Circulation slows down. Many people think this is just normal aging, but in reality, much of this process is influenced by nutrient deficiencies and poor timing. Your body has powerful built-in systems designed to protect and repair your blood vessels. The problem is, most people are unknowingly starving those systems of the nutrients they need, especially at night, when the body is trying to recover. Let me ask you a simple question. When do you think your arteries do the most repair work? Most people assume it happens during the day while we're active. But biologically, the opposite is true. During the daytime, your body is focused on survival, moving, digesting food, responding to stress, maintaining blood pressure. Nighttime is when deep internal maintenance begins. Your body lowers cortisol levels. Blood vessels relax. Cellular repair processes activate. But here's where the problem begins. Many adults over 45 are missing key nutrients that support these nighttime repair mechanisms. And without those nutrients, the body struggles to remove cholesterol particles, calm inflammation, and prevent calcium deposits from forming in artery walls.
Let me tell you about someone I once spoke with, Margaret. Margaret was 62 years old. She walked every morning, avoided junk food, and faithfully took her multivitamin. Yet during a routine checkup, her doctor told her something alarming. Her cholesterol was elevated, and scans showed early signs of arterial plaque. She was shocked. "How is that possible?" she asked. She was doing everything she'd been told. But what Margaret didn't know was this. Many common supplements support general health, but very few specifically assist the body's nighttime vascular repair processes. And here's the myth most people believe: if I eat healthy, my arteries will stay clean. But the truth is far more complicated. Because artery health isn't just about diet. It's about how your body processes cholesterol, controls inflammation, and manages calcium inside the blood vessels. And that brings us to the hidden truth most people never hear about. Inside your arteries, there's a delicate balance constantly taking place. Your body is always doing 2 things at once: building and cleaning. Immune cells remove damaged cholesterol particles. Enzymes break down inflammatory debris. Blood vessel walls regenerate themselves. But when certain nutrients are missing, that cleaning process slows down dramatically. And plaque begins to accumulate faster than the body can remove it. One of the most important discoveries in cardiovascular science over the last 2 decades involves something called arterial calcification. This occurs when calcium, yes, the same mineral that strengthens your bones, begins depositing inside artery walls. Instead of staying in bones where it belongs, calcium can harden arteries, making them stiff and narrow. Researchers studying aging populations discovered something fascinating. People with healthy arteries often had specific nutrients activating proteins that redirect calcium away from arteries and back into bones. In other words, their bodies had a built-in defense system protecting their blood vessels. But that system only works when the right nutrients are present. And here's the interesting part. Those nutrients appear to work especially well during the body's nighttime repair cycle. Which brings us to the first powerful nighttime nutrient. The first nighttime nutrient that supports arterial health is magnesium. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral, but its role in cardiovascular health goes far deeper. Magnesium helps relax blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and control inflammation inside the arteries. But its most powerful effect happens at night.
When magnesium levels are sufficient, blood vessels dilate slightly, improving circulation and allowing the body's repair mechanisms to function more efficiently. Magnesium also supports the regulation of calcium inside the bloodstream. Without enough magnesium, calcium can begin depositing in places it shouldn't, including artery walls. Taking magnesium in the evening can support both better sleep and healthier arteries. But here's a mistake many people make. They take magnesium in the morning. During the day, magnesium can still help, but its relaxation effects are far more beneficial when taken about an hour before bedtime. That's when it supports muscle relaxation, lowers nighttime blood pressure, and enhances the body's natural repair cycle. Now let's talk about the second nutrient, one of the most fascinating compounds discovered in cardiovascular nutrition. The second nighttime nutrient is vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 plays a crucial role in managing where calcium goes inside your body. Think of vitamin K2 as a traffic controller for calcium. It activates special proteins that guide calcium into bones and away from arteries. Without enough vitamin K2, calcium can slowly accumulate inside blood vessels, contributing to arterial stiffness. Several long-term observational studies have found that people with higher dietary intake of vitamin K2 tend to have lower rates of arterial calcification. What makes vitamin K2 particularly interesting is how it works during periods of rest. During sleep, your body shifts into regeneration mode. Cells repair themselves and metabolic processes rebalance. Vitamin K2 helps ensure calcium is directed to the right places during these cycles. Many people unknowingly consume very little vitamin K2. It's found primarily in fermented foods such as natto, certain cheeses, and some animal products. Because these foods aren't common in many diets, supplementation has become more popular, and timing matters. Taking vitamin K2 with your evening meal can help ensure it's circulating in the bloodstream during the nighttime repair window. Now let me share another short story. James, a 58-year-old accountant, had struggled with borderline blood pressure for years. He exercised occasionally but still felt tired and sluggish. After improving his magnesium intake at night and adding vitamin K2 with dinner, he noticed something interesting. Within weeks, his sleep improved. His morning blood pressure readings became more stable, and he reported feeling more energetic during the day. Small changes, when done consistently, can create significant long-term benefits. But there's another important piece of the puzzle, because even if you take the right nutrients, certain habits can quietly sabotage your artery health.
This is where many people unknowingly make mistakes. The first mistake is late-night sugar consumption. Sugary snacks before bed spike blood glucose levels and increase inflammation inside blood vessels. That inflammation interferes with the body's nighttime repair mechanisms. The second mistake is chronic dehydration. Blood becomes slightly thicker when the body is dehydrated, forcing the heart to work harder and placing extra strain on blood vessels. Many adults simply don't drink enough water throughout the day, and the third mistake is excessive calcium supplementation without balance. Calcium itself isn't the problem. But when large amounts of calcium are consumed without supportive nutrients like magnesium and vitamin K2, the body may struggle to direct it properly. This imbalance can increase the risk of calcium accumulating in artery walls. Remember, nutrients work in systems, not isolation. Your body relies on balance. Let's quickly recap what we discussed today. Your body performs critical repair work while you sleep, including processes that protect and maintain your arteries. But those systems depend on the presence of the right nutrients. Magnesium supports blood vessel relaxation, reduces inflammation, and improves nighttime circulation. Vitamin K2 helps guide calcium away from arteries and toward bones, supporting long-term vascular health. Combined with healthy lifestyle habits, these nutrients can strengthen the body's natural defenses against plaque buildup. Here's one final tip most people overlook. Try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Your cardiovascular repair processes follow your circadian rhythm. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day allows those systems to function at their best. Now I'd like to hear from you. Have you been taking magnesium or vitamin K2 already? And if so, were you taking them at night or earlier in the day? Tell me in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe because in the next video we're going to discuss something even more surprising. The 3 foods that secretly trigger artery inflammation after age 50. Most people eat them every day without realizing the damage they may be causing, and once you know what they are, you'll never look at your grocery list the same way again. I'll see you in the next video.